Hi there, my name's Pete Scott, and I was watching the Good RX commercial, and lady walks in with a couple little kids, and she's got to pay $67 for medicine, and she doesn't have it. And the lady behind the counter says, I can save you up to 80% with the Good RX card. Now, came up with a total bill of something like $8.90. Whatever it was less than $10. And that just didn't sound right to me. So I went about figuring out, how much this woman would have to pay. So if she's getting 80% discount, then this is her discount, we'll label that. Then she's got to pay 20%. And that adds to 100% of the bill, which is what we got to get taken care of. Okay, so my easiest way to do it is to find out what she has to pay is to take 20% of $67. And the way I do this is I take 20%, by the way, equals 0.2. And that can be kind of hard to get down until you get a little bit older if you're a kid. This is a good video for kids, by the way. Okay, I'm going to split this 67 up. I'm going to take 0.2 times 60 plus 0.2 times 7 to come up with our answer. I'm going to reduce this to 2 times 6. It's the same thing. Plus, can't reduce that. So this comes up to 12. This comes up to, I'm going to take 2 times 7. That's 14. I'm going to take that decimal point, fit it right in there. So we come up with a 1.4. And 20% of 7, 1.4 sounds like a pretty good candidate. 20% of 60, $12 sounds like a pretty good candidate, because 20% is not that much. It's one of the lower percentages. I still have to add these together, and I come up with 13.4. Okay, so there you have it. 13.4 does not equal what they had on their commercial. And it's a good thing that they're selling cheaper prescriptions, that people can get cheaper prescriptions, but on the other hand, this is an embellishment, and some people like myself would consider it, if I was the director, it would not pass because it is not ethical. It is leading people on to think that they can come up and see a medicine for $67 and pay only $8.90, and have a 10 on them and be safe when they really need a 20 on them, or a 10 and a 5. So anyway, we're going to proof this out. So we're going to take $67 times 80%. And I could do this, the same way here, but I'm going to take my handy calculator and do this. Let's see. $67 times 80. There's the percent sign. And that comes up to 53 53.6. Now, that's the discount. So 67 minus 53.6 equals, oh, let's clear that. these are a pain in the butt anymore. 67 minus 53.6 equals 13.4. Gee, that sounds familiar. And that's the amount we're going to have to pay. And that's exactly what I came up with. So it is true. Whether you do it on a calculator, do it in your head, do it on paper, do it wherever you want. The GoodRx commercial is a little bit misleading, but it is good that they are getting you cheaper prescriptions. And that's all that counts. Thank you very much. I'm Pete Scott. I'm a disabled veteran. Doing this to keep myself sharp. Thank you very much for listening.